Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों हाईलैंड, which is developed by Hiranandani at Hiranandani Garden, Powai. So let's begin with the show. So, friend, this is Highland building, and this is developed by Hiranandani and this is at Powai. So this whole complex is called Hiranandani Gardens. And there are many buildings in this complex. So one of the building जिसका नाम है Highland, आज हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. उसके अलावा और भी एक दो बिल्डिंग्स है जो कि अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है और कुछ बिल्डिंग्स रेडी हो चुकी है. पर हम लोग हाईलैंड के बारे में बात करेंगे इसके लिए, क्योंकि हाईलैंड को अगर आप समझ लेते हो तो आसपास के बिल्डिंग्स को भी आप समझ लोगे. फिर आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप हाईलैंड में बुकिंग के लिए जाना चाहते हैं या सराउंडिंग बिल्डिंग में आप जाना चाहते हैं. So friend, this is the image of Hiranandani Garden, which is at Powai, and you can see this is one of the building which is known as Highland, which will be the similar image will be there of the building because Hiranandani Powai, typically all the buildings looks are same from outside. आप जो भी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन आप बिल्डिंग्स का आप देखोगे, जो भी उसका स्ट्रक्चर आप देखोगे, और ऊपर से आप डोम जैसा दिया हुआ है, तो वो सारे बिल्डिंग्स में ऐसा आप देखोगे. और इट इज समवट कॉमन एरियाज और फ्लैट एरियाज और कारपेट एरियाज में फर्क रह सकता है, बट इट इज नॉर्मली कॉमन एंड इट इज वेरी वेल डेवलप्ड. जो हीरानंदानी पवई जो है गार्डन इज वेरी वेल डेवलप्ड एरिया. और सबसे पहले पवई जो डेवलप किया ही था वो हीरानंदानी डेवलपर नहीं किया था. सो इट इज वेरी वेल डेवलप्ड एंड वेल प्लान्ड एरिया विच इज एट पवई. तो आज पवई को हीरानंदानी गार्डन्स के नाम से ही जाना जाता है. हम लोग पवई कम बोलते हैं, हम लोग हीरानंदानी गार्डन्स बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो लैंड पार्सल है वो 250 एकर्स का इनका लैंड पार्सल है, जो कि 80% ऑलमोस्ट डेवलप्ड हो चुका है. और इन्होंने 50 रेसिडेंशियल टावर्स यहाँ पर बनाए हैं, 2 स्कूल बनाया है, 3 क्लब हाउसेस है, 1 सुपरमार्केट है, 1 गुड हॉस्पिटल इज देयर जो कि हीरानंदानी नाम के नाम से ही है, और 24/7 सिक्योरिटी इज देयर, एंड 4,000 हैप्पी रेसिडेंशियल families are staying. 4,000 happy 4,000 flats possession has been given in this complex. So these are few glimpses of Hiranandani Garden, and when you see the whole area, the whole complex looks very glamorous night time, and even the gardens in center. So you can see how beautifully it is designed. Not even the buildings, not only the gardens, but even the roads and the commercial shops and retail counters are planned very well in this complex in Hiranandani Garden. जब आप जाओगे वहाँ पर तभी आपको वो फीलिंग आएगा. तो जो अननेसेसरी कहीं पर भी शॉप्स नहीं बनाया हुआ है. जो शॉपिंग प्लाजा है वहीं पे शॉपिंग प्लाजा है, या शॉपिंग मार्ट है वहीं पे शॉपिंग मार्ट है, जो सब्जी मंडी है वहीं पे सब्जी मंडी दिया हुआ है, और कुछ रिटेल काउंटर जहाँ पर देना चाहिए वहीं पर दिया हुआ है. तो बहुत ही सिस्टमेटिकली डेवलप किया गया है हीरानंदानी गार्डन को, विच इज एट पवई. और फ्रॉम दिस इमेज ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक आउट द इट्स वेरी वेल डेवलप्ड and very systematically developed. Again, the building images you see, it's very beautiful images are there, and typical pattern of Hiranandani, like they have mostly the light brown shade of the building, lighter shade, and mostly they have dome on the building on top. There's a dome on top. So dome structure either वो गोल रहेगा या hexagon shape रहेगा या six shape रहेगा. तो बेसिकली डोम इसके लिए दिया जाता है कि वो वास्तु का काम करता है. इट गिव्स अ पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन इन द बिल्डिंग, इन द होल बिल्डिंग. तब वो डोम उस वास्तु के हिसाब से दिया जाता है. सो दिस नॉट ओनली द फ्लैट्स आर वास्तु डिजाइन, बट इवन द होल बिल्डिंग हैज बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ द वास्तु. So there is a positive vibration in the building. So when you see over here, friend, this is Hiranandani Foundation School, which I told you earlier. This is school developed by Hiranandani developer, which is at Powai. And this is the business park. As I told you, there's a commercial hub. So there's a business park over here, and beautiful clubhouse has been given. This is the image of the Forest Club. This is actual image of the clubhouse, and there is hospital which is named as Dr. L.H. Hiranandani Hospital. So this hospital is that. This hospital is there in Powai Hiranandani Garden. So few to read out, there is Hiranandani Foundation School, then hospital, then Hyco Supermarket, Clubhouse, Gymnasium, Swimming Pool, Tennis, Badminton, Squash Court, pedestrian friendly tree line avenues, shopping arcade, high street retails, Melua 5-star hotel and Rodas 3-star hotel, then Hakon Entertainment Center, and Hiranandani Business Park. So this is all properly well planned in this area. So in the whole area, you see a 4 type of theme gardens are there. Different types of gardens are there, as you see in the image over here. And 50 acres of open green space has been provided in the whole township. And 1 lakh tree planted is planted in this township. 22 rare species tree has been given, and 7.6 acre of man-made forest has been given in this complex. So there is a Rock Ridge Green. Now what is this Rock Ridge Green? It's basically lots of greenery and different amenities are provided in this green zone. There is 3.5 acres of internationally designed landscape is there, and 6 well-defined zones are there, and 30 plus amenities are there. And of course, the site concept is international. It's from Singapore landscape architect and building architect for the whole complex, as everybody knows, and famous office contractor. So when you see the master layout of the area, so we are talking about this Highland building right now over here. There's one more building over here, which is Castle Rock, and there's Regent Hill somewhere over here. This could be a Regent Hill, and there is Atlantis somewhere over here. So कुछ बिल्डिंग इसमें से रेडी है और कुछ थोड़ा सा जल्दी पोजीशन है, पर हाईलैंड जो है ये न्यूली लॉन्च बिल्डिंग है. तो आज हम लोग हाईलैंड की बात करेंगे, लेकिन अगर किसी को अगर एटलांटिस या रीजेंट हिल में भी अगर चाहिए तो वहां पर भी फ्लैट्स अवेलेबल है, उसमें भी ले सकते हो. So this is the center plot which is located in center. So this is the Highland building over here, and this area Highland, where the Highland is located, could be not more than 5-acre plot. And this entire township you see over here, this is whole Hiranandani Garden, which is at Powai. And here are few buildings which are hardly, I think so, few plots are left in Powai. So these are buildings which are constructions are going on now. And Empress Hill is over here, which is upcoming building. This will take some time, but right now we are talking about Highland. So Highland is 23 habitual floor, 2 basement, 1 podium, and it has combination of 1, 2, and 3 BHK flats. So in Rock Ridge Greens, you see lots of amenities have been given in Rock Ridge Greens. So these are all the Rock Ridge Green areas over here, and this is Highland building which is under construction. Empress Hill is an upcoming project which will be coming further, and this is Regent Hill. So again in Regent Hill there are few flats available. अगर किसी को Regent Hill में अगर चाहिए तो यहाँ पर भी flat मिल सकता है. So when you see the amenities part, there are lots of amenities are provided in Rock Ridge Greens. So you can go through these amenities. The plenty of amenities have been provided in this complex. So Zone 1, the Green Life, where you see over here, there's a meditation park. Then this is a sculpture garden. Then there's a Wi-Fi garden also, courtyard garden, reflexology area, palm meadows, and green lawns. So this is green lawn over here. So here you see again, this is green lawn where you can relax and you can study, you can read books. Then there's a Wi-Fi garden, and this is reflexology area where you can walk over here. And in zone 2, where there's an active life, so in zone 2 amenities, you have swimming pool, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court, clubhouse with gymnasium, and a multi-purpose hall. So in zone 3, the calm area of the life, so here you have different amenities, which you see the shade sitting pavilion has been given where you can work from outside the area in the vicinity in the complex. Then there is a retreat sitting alcove and parent pavilions and lookout squares. So these are all amenities which are provided in this complex. Zone 4 again for the seniors. So here you see there's a jogging and cycling track over here, which is a soft ground over here. So this is used for jogging and cycling. And this is the walking promenade or path walk, you can say. So walking track is different and cycling and jogging track is different in this complex. So zone 5 is the children amenities. There's an adventure wall for kids and interactive wave bridge is there, children's play area and play yard. So these are all amenities for the children. Then there's a music zone, the spotlight life. So here you have amphitheater and performance square where you can perform, you can play music, you can have wonderful get together. So this is how the elevation of the building is, very beautifully designed, and all the flats are with deck. So there is a deck provided in this flats over here, and you can see very beautifully designed building. Even the construction quality is very good. And as you know, Hiranandani is a branded developer, so they have all branded fittings inside the complex. Even the construction quality is very good. So in tower features, you have a double height air condition, CCTV surveillance, beautiful floor lobbies, high speed elevators, power backup, LED light, comprehensive firefighting, mechanized car parking, FTTH ready low voltage structure cabling system inside apartment, common DTH dish antenna, audio intercom using IP and EPABX video call supported, which is video call supported. And see the beautiful sample flat, very well designed. So you have French cut windows, full up to the flooring, and there's a good deck outside, 4 feet 4 inch in breadth, and wall to wall length has been given. The living room has air condition, large format tiles in living and dining, then large format aluminum double gaze windows for ample lights and ventilation. Then sheer curtains in living and dining, modular electrical switches, fall ceiling with recessed lights, decorative features wall with wallpaper and texture paints. Again, this is the image of the bedroom with similar type of amenities. And you can see the window size is big, so you have enough bright light inside the flat. So in washroom and kitchen, you have all taps and CP and sanitary fittings are all branded quality fittings are there. So kitchen, you are having cabinets and platform and sink along with white goods like hob and hood, refrigerator, washing machine, dryer, microwave oven and water purifier. So these white goods developer is providing in this complex. And high quality non-corrosive plumbing fittings are there. Superior quality geyser and exhaust is there, and fall ceiling with recessed lights in toilets and passage. So very well designed washroom, and even the kitchen is also very well designed. And again, the beautiful design of the bedroom. So again, you see over here very beautifully made, and the French cut window. So good ventilation is there in this flat. So when you see the ecosystem for this Highland building, so Heritage Garden and Recruit Club, which is 3 minutes from here, and Hiranandani Hospital is 5 minutes. High Streets and Heiko Mall is 6 minutes. Then Galleria Mall is 6 minutes. Restaurant, cafe, and banks are 7 minutes. Hiranandani Foundation School is 11 minutes. HFS International is 12 minutes. Eden Club and Forest Club is 12 minutes. So basically 250 एकड़ एक राउंड रेडियस के अंदर आप कोई भी डिस्टेंस में आप 3 से 12 मिनट के अंदर आप पहुंच सकते हो. So reach out to the world from where you are. So it is very easy to travel from here to any place of the Mumbai, and this is the beautiful image of the Powai Lake. And Powai is at Andheri East, and it is between Andheri and Kanjurmarg. So Powai is in center. So people traveling to the central side or to western side or to South Mumbai. So Powai is centrally located. They can either travel through Eastern Express Highway or through Western Express Highway, and or you can just take a from Eastern Express Highway. If you're traveling out of Mumbai, you have to just take a left turn, and if you take a right turn, you go to South Mumbai side. And again, in South Mumbai, it's divided whether you want to go on the South Mumbai or whether you want to travel towards Wadala side. So it's rightly located in center of Mumbai. So from here, you can travel any place, anywhere in Mumbai, and of course out of Mumbai also you can travel very easily from here. So the planning for this complex is very good, and Highland is one of the part of this complex, one of the building developed by Hiranandani. So this whole area is Hiranandani Garden, and you see over here, this is Eastern Express Highway. There's a railway line over here, and this whole area is Powai Lake. And when you come this side over here, so there's a Western Express Highway somewhere over here, and this is Andheri East area. So this is metro line which is coming from Warsaw to Ghatkopar, which one of the metro line is already running from here. And there is one more metro line which will be crossing this JBLR, and through Powai it will be going to Kanjurmarg. So this metro line work is going on right now over here, which will be starting any moment, another 1 year time. So you can see over here this Marol Industrial Estate, MIDC Industrial Estate, Spies, then Vikhroli. Then this whole area is Chandivali area, side by areas, and again Kanjurmarg station, Vikhroli, Ghatkopar station. So its ecosystem is very well connected to this area. Again, there is IIT Bombay, which is very close by from Hiranandani Gardens. So ecosystem is very well connected to this area. So as it is written over here, Spies is 5 km, BKC 10 km, Airport 10 km, Andheri West 11 km, Thane 17 km, Churchgate 27 km. And road connectivity, JBLR 1.4 km, LBS Mark 3.4 km, Eastern Express Highway 4.8 km, SCLR 8.1 km, Eastern Freeway is 12 km. And education-wise, Hiranandani Foundation School 1 km, Odar International School 1 km, SM Shetty 1 km, IIT Bombay 2 km, Pawar Public School 2 km, Bombay Scottish School 3 km. And rail connectivity, upcoming metro station Powai Lake will be closer, which is 2 km, Kanjurmarg station is 4.2 km, and Vikhroli station is 4.5 km. So here you see the image of the metro line which is coming up. This is JBLR Road, and this is Educational Institute, and this is the commercial hub for which is at inside the vicinity. Now this is the master layout of the floor plan of Highland. So when you see over here, friends, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 flats are there. And as you see above picture over here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wings are there. So when you see over here, they have combination of 1, 2, and 3 BHK flats. And then this is again the master layout of the B wing, where you see you have 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. So here you see this is B wing master layout flats, where you have only 2 BHK flats. So as I told you, friends, there are 4 buildings are there. So Highland is one of the building, which the possession is on December 2026, and due is around 9.90%. अभी थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया होगा. So they have A, B, C, D, and E wings are there. So in this 1 BHK is only 1 row has been given, I think so, which is 380 carpet area. And you see 2 BHK 620 carpet area price starts from 2.48 CR, which is inclusive of stamp duty, registration, GST, and everything. And for 3 BHK 784 carpet area is 3.32 CR. So this also includes everything: stamp duty, registration, GST, and society development charges. So this way there are different sizes are there. For again 2 BHK smaller size is also there, 566, which is 2.28, 598 is 2.49, and 1 BHK 380 is 1.43. So they have very few of 1 BHK. One is given over here, and another one is in B wing, which is again 380. So only 1 row, that means only 20 out of 23 habitual floor, 23 flats will be there. So 1 BHK is very less. You have 2 BHK, more of 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats in Highland. And there's a Regent Hill building also within the vicinity, in which the possession is on December 2024. But here they have only 379 1 BHK flats, which the price is 1.56 and 1.49. So again, this is inclusive of stamp duty, registration, GST, and all the other charges. Then Castle Rock is one of the building where OC is received, and this is ready position. Here you have option of 2 BHK if you want a ready apartment. So they have 629, 777, and 777 2 BHK carpet, where price starts from 2.70, it goes up to 3.39 and 3.39 again. So again in Atlantis also there is ready position, OC received. You have 2 BHK options are there, and 762 and 771 is the carpet area. 2 different areas are there, and price is 3.37, which includes all the other charges. So friend, this was all about Highland at Hiranandani Garden at Powai. And for booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more product, one more developer very soon. Thank you for watching this show. Please take care. Bye-bye.